Yo, what's good, y'all? Hey, let's go. Hey, make sure you hit that like button for your boy NTG. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Did you guys watch those videos that I posted? I'm posting an analysis tomorrow, and I'm gonna do a follow up, and then I'm gonna drop the two videos next week too. So we got content coming. African Vision Club. I'm doing okay today. I'm doing all right. You know, I can be better, but it can also be worse. Take it day by day. What's good, Jimmy? I will. I'll drop some gold analysis tomorrow. Don't worry. I'm gonna do a video for it. I'm gonna drop some analysis. Yes, sir. All right, that's what's up. How was your trading this week? Anybody made profit this week? Yeah, Jimmy, I've been taking good care of myself now. I've been making that a priority now, so taking great care. I can see the results. I got way more energy, way more motivated to do things. So I hope you guys been taking care of yourself. Have you guys been taking care of yourself? Have you guys been doing your daily meditation, practicing your mindfulness, and studying on the charts? Michael, what's going on? It's good, man. How you been? December is a slow period. Um, it's gonna be a lot of consolidation as far as the month of December. It's gonna just be a slow market, but it will pick up drastically by the end of December. So you seen Bitcoin ETH? Of course, I just dropped the video a couple hours ago on it. If you haven't seen it, I had a losing week. I haven't had a losing week in years. I haven't had a losing week. I've had losses, but most of the time I can bounce back from them, break even. Um, I don't know what you mean. Like, do you mean like a losing streak, like straight? Or are you just saying like a losing week in general? Like I won like 2 trades and I lost 3 trades. So overall, it's like a loss for the week. I haven't lost straight, like losses back to back to back to back to back to back. No, that hasn't happened. But as far as like me, like say I win a trade and lose a trade, or I will win a trade and lose 2 trades for the week. Yeah, that has happened. Not recently. I'll say last month was a good month for me. So maybe around September. Focus on school. That's good. That's good. Yeah, when I have less money. Yeah, that has happened. That has happened. Not for a while, but it has happened. Like I said, like back in September, maybe early October. But last month was a good month for me. It was wins. Very few losses. Even with my live trades with my VIP group, we did, like I said, we did 8 to 9 live trades on the VIP group, and out of those trades, we won 7. I think we only lost 2 trades for that whole month. So that was a good month with VIP live trading. You made 4K and lost 3K. Oof. That's why I say you guys got to take your profits when you can. Take your profits when you can. Appreciate it, Jimmy. Yeah, the quality is going to get even better. Like the content is going to get better. It's going to be longer content, more focused content. Everything is just going to level up. But always withdraw. I will be making a Discord server. I told you guys that I'm gonna be dropping it, so you guys stay tuned for that. I just want to see like who my real followers are and who has notification on, so when they know when I drop that Discord, they're gonna be there. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna do like a expiration date on the Discord, like just to see like the first 7 days of the join, or I should just keep it up. I'll let you guys decide that. Withdraw, 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 withdraw. Yes, sir. Always withdraw. With VIP, do you only trade patterns? No, we trade everything. I teach you everything as far as like what your trading style is. So I focus it to what you want. Yeah, you guys know at the NTG Academy, we keep it as real as possible. That's about it, you know. I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. If something doesn't work, it don't work. If it works, it works. If it's something that's realistic, it's realistic. If it's a fantasy, it's a fantasy. That's just it. You know, I know I don't have time for that. You guys don't have time for that, for the games. You guys just need to know what's going on, what's the real stuff, what you need to know, what you don't need to know. So like I said, I always tell you guys this stuff is a journey. This is no shortcut. This is no shortcut. There's no shortcuts in life. I know it may seem like it on the outside, but there's no shortcuts. Like there's always hard work that comes behind success. So just make sure you guys know that. And if there isn't, let's just say that you get that instant, success without hard work. Normally that success does not last. It doesn't last at all. So just keep that mindful. Theodore, what's good? I will drop it soon. I still don't have I don't have a date yet. I don't have a date. But let's do this. Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. If this live stream, okay, gets to 200 likes, and if you guys get my previous video to 400 likes, I will drop the Discord. So either you get my last video to 400, or you get this live stream right now to 200 likes, and I will drop the Discord immediately. I'll drop it right on the dime. That's it. I'll send everybody the link. I'll go live that day, and I'll drop the link, and I'll say, here's the link, everybody join. I will drop the link right here on the live stream. I'll go live. You guys will see it. It will just say Discord. That's all it will say, Discord. Join now. And I'll put the link in the description. Stack boy. Oh yeah, it's still open today. Yeah, it's still open. Everything's still open. It's open until Sunday. I'm closing everything like Monday morning. Yeah, I'm closing everything Monday morning. So everything, the academy's still open. I didn't take any trades. Actually, I did, but I got out. So actually, I can show you guys the screenshot real quick. So someone asked me to break down gold. I can do that for y'all. Hold on real quick. Let me get my phone so I can show you guys. So Jimmy says, smooch that like button. Man, I know if a lot of you guys are real ones. If you guys could like more than once, I know you guys will like the button a million times. I got an Instagram. My Instagram in the link description right now. Just go down to the description. My Instagram link is right there, right under my broker leverage, all that good stuff. You said time to start creating more accounts. Yeah, hold on. All right, so here it is. So this was on Friday. So let me show you guys real quick. So I was in this trade, as you guys can see, at around 8 a.m. right when NFP hit. When NFP hit, and around here, like I was waiting for that retracement, as you guys, like I said in the last live, I was waiting for the retracements, right? And we were right on retracement area. So right around this area, I was actually watching gold on the 1 minute time frame, right here. So we had the huge spike, right? You guys see the time, it says 8:50. So after the huge spike, right, came back to retest, and this is when I started entering gold. And I started entering, anticipating the drop. So I kept waiting, and I saw this correction, right? This little wedge, and I was like, okay, it's gonna break here. I added positions, and it started breaking. It came back to retest again, and then as soon as it came back into the zone again, that's when I just gave up on gold, because my goal was to hit it back up to the 1760, just to get it at that TP area. But gold was too risky, and it was starting to go over my trading time, right? Because I normally end my trading time at 11 a.m. and as you guys can see over here, it's around 10:45, because that's when I get ready to go to training. So it kept consolidating, and normally when gold takes too long to like drop that way right before training, I just close my profit, and I closed around like 1300, somewhere around there, 1200, 1300, and I closed out there. So but that's what I was looking for. I was looking for the retracement, and I was in for scalps. It wasn't working out, right? After NFP news, gold was just ranging. I got out, left the training, and then it broke structure, right? It broke here. This was my plan B. So my plan B was for gold to break that recent low high with the 72% retracement area, right? And it was going to come back to bounce off of it, and then continue to the upside, which it did. So now all I got to do is redraw my zones for tomorrow. I will drop an analysis video tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. I'm going to drop that video, redraw everything, clear out my analysis, look for some new resistance, all that good stuff. Because it seems that now we are transitioning right into an uptrend. So I'm going to continue to watch gold. I'm going to see if I can like redraw some trend lines, maybe redraw some fibs from recent lows. I'm gonna go on the 4 hour. I'm gonna go to the higher time frames to tell me, because even on the 4 hour, as you guys can see, we might be short term bullish here, but you got to remember that that we have this big bearish movement here, so we will see. But we could get that reverse because we did hit that 1760. Like I said, this was a beautiful support, and that was when I mentioned that pre-breakout earlier. I don't know if you guys remember that live, but we did have pre-breakout here. As you guys can see, my 15-minute, you guys see the falling flag here, and then you were supposed to enter right at the confirmation there, and then you could have had a nice pre-breakout. Cause that was Thursday, right? Yeah, this happened Thursday, so you would have been in the trade here for pre-breakout, added your positions, right? And then you would have added your positions after the break. So after the breakout, you would have added positions, and then you could have went from there. But I missed pre-breakout, so I just ended up getting some quick sells in, pretty much. So that was the overall trade from Friday. Am I going over crypto tonight? I mean, if you want me to, I did the video. I mean, what else do you guys want to know as far as like the crypto market? Stack Boy Don, you joining now? All right. I'll see you there. I'm going to send out that telegram tomorrow so you can join. I'm dropping that tomorrow. Analysis for index is dropping tomorrow. How long am I live for? I'll be live for another 45 minutes. I'm new here in your channel. So far, I already watched all your scalping videos. I learned a lot and hoping to learn more for the days to come. I'm a newbie. Thanks for sharing your wisdom, bro. I appreciate you. Welcome to the NTG Academy. If you have any questions, just let me know on the live. I buy my Shiba on Coinbase, and I strictly trade Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP on my MT4. I forgot to mention that in the video. Thank you for reminding me. So I do my trading, like my Bitcoin, my ETH trading, all that good stuff on my MT4, and my Shiba, where I bought some Shiba, is on my Coinbase, and it's just sitting there. I would say crypto is trading. I think it is easier. In my personal opinion, crypto is easier to trade than Forex. Now, don't get wrong. Now, don't think it's easy. It's still difficult. Trust me, it's still just as difficult. But well, let me change that. I take that back. I don't think it's easier. Okay, I just like it better. I like trading crypto better than Forex. I like the volatility. I like the quick gains, the scalping, long-term investments. Like crypto is like an overall market. Like I just love it that way. Like with Forex, I look more as just like, for you to like make money in Forex, like you have to have like big lot sizes. Like you have to have like 10 standards, 20 standards, and multiple of those too, just to like make some like big numbers on Forex. But as far as crypto, you don't even have to go above $1, right? You can, especially with Bitcoin, like you can have some 0.10s, multiple 0.10s, and that can make you thousands of dollars just off of those huge moves. Look at Bitcoin yesterday. Like just know how much money people made off of that drop. So I wouldn't say it's easier. I would say it's better, and I like trading crypto better than Forex. Trading, well, KLT does not offer Shiba on MT4. That's why I just downloaded a wallet and I just bought it. But I don't see Shiba on my MT4, so that's why I don't actively trade it. So it's just a buy and hold situation for me. build a kit, getting ready to join your VIP Academy soon, couple of weeks. Just the time to save up some bread, and I'll be set. All right, whenever you're ready to join, let me know. You guys will get some live trading with your boy NTG, just like everybody else, pretty much. I've been steering more like the VIP now. It's always evolving, right? It's always changing from like the first time I started to now. Like before, I was teaching more, teaching, less live trading, but now I'm doing way more live trading. Like we live trade for 2 weeks now, so I've been opening up more live trades daily. Like we're just looking at live market time, and then I use like the first 2 weeks to just get to know what type of trading style, what type of trader you are, fixing mistakes, correcting those things, focus groups, and then we just we do live trading. I mean, that's the most feedback I've been getting from my VIP members to do more. They say it helps them more. It builds their confidence. Now they feel set, all that good stuff. So that's what I've been doing. The second time you're live. I love your teachings. I'm also a newbie, sir. Thomas, what's good? What's good? Don't worry, I'm going to be going live way more often now. Content is going to be, you guys came at a good time, I'm telling you. What I think about Phantom? Good investment. Good investment as well. My pop's been holding Shiba early with like 200, and he's seen over 1,000 at one point. Yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah. Because I bought Shiba early. I bought it at like 0.00018. So, and I put a couple thousand in it. So when it was at like 0.0008, whoo, trust me, it was tempting to withdraw, but I was like, yeah, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna just hold it. This is a long term. This is like a 2-year investment for me, so I'm just gonna hold it. It doesn't have like my previous groups. No, I delete that just for like privacy reasons. But I mean, if you want access to it, I can give it to you. But you have access to your VIPs. Like once you finish the VIP month, like you will always have like all the links, and you can go back and watch it like whenever you want to, even after. And then you keep Telegram, so like all my VIP members all have my Telegram. And they contact me whenever they need help. They contact me directly when they have questions, all of that. So it's kind of like you just have my personal number at that point, even after the VIP. With 2K, that's 10K. Okay, I got it. A lot of Phantom now, just making sure. Yeah, hey, but I just stack up on those cryptos. I'm telling you. And one of them is going to go for you, so don't worry. You don't join the VIP, you become the VIP. Exactly. I like that. Exactly. You become the VIP. That's true. I was, but now it's back at 0.00003, so... But it looked good though. That month of October when it was jumping, I was thinking that I was like, dang, my retirement might be as early as tomorrow. Oh yeah. Did anybody trade? Did anybody trade gold on Friday? Were you in the buys? Were you in the sells? What's going on? Did anybody catch gold? I know gold was very tricky on Friday. It was just ranging, and that's why I watched it on the 1 minute. I love to watch the markets on the 1 minute, especially with big news, because I don't want to wait until 5 minutes and then it's just like blowing up. I gotta know like. Breezy, what's good? The VIP is scarce. Our sons and daughters will read the scrolls of the VIP and learn the way. Is 200 good for trading or 500? It depends. It all depends. It all depends. It depends on like what market you're trading. It depends on like your experience, how profitable you are. You know, if you're a new trader, there's like a lot of questions you have to ask yourself before like you know the right answer to if 200 or 500 is okay. Just Nas and US 30, how did those trades go? You buy gold and make 300? Do I have spots available? Of course, I have spots open right now, guys. It will be open until tomorrow, Monday morning. I think I have like 15 spots left. Do I recommend trading during NFP? If you don't, I don't think so. I think most of the times you guys should just watch NFP. I would say it's not even worth it, honestly. Like just wait for another day. You know, like NFP is not that serious. Like people hype it up so much, but you know, like I said, gold makes good moves without NFP, right? And NFP is just like a very manipulation type of day. So honestly, I would say just stay away from it altogether. But I mean, if you like that fast action, then you know, do you? And then it went your way. Tight stop losses. Yep. You just can't hold it. What's going on, Breezy? What's your question? I can flip an account, but just can't hold it when I make a lot of profit. Close it then. Just close it. Just close it. Like if it's good profit, take your money, guys. Take your money. Take your money. I don't know why. I don't know why y'all don't like to take your money. Like you guys will see 300, 400. Some of y'all will see 1K blue, and you won't take your money. Like, are you serious? You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. You must have like over $10,000 in your bank account right now for you to not close them trades. Are you serious? Come on now. We gotta be grateful for whatever. Don't be big in profit and then just say, okay, I'm gonna run it up. It's gonna keep going my direction. Like, take your money. It doesn't matter. Take your money. It's so good. Like $300, $400. Like that's a lot of money. My very first time making a deposit, 500 and blew it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, you know, I would say stay demo. That listen to your boy Stack. Airstar, what's going on? CC. Me too. I can flip account, but can't hold the profit. I get excited and keep trading instead of waiting until the next day. No over trading, CC. You know that. There's no over trading. You got to make sure you take your profit and enjoy it. Enjoy it. Withdraw it too if you can. Enjoy your profits, guys. There's no reason to make your money and give it back into the markets. As a day trader, if you enter on the 1 hour, when would you say is a cut off time to enter that trade? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, same as 4 hour entries. If you enter on the 1 hour, when would you say is a cut off time to enter that trade? Oh, so you're saying if you get confirmation and you kind of just are okay, I gotta understand what you're saying, Breezy. So you're saying like if you enter on the 1 hour, you get confirmation on the 1 hour. Are you saying like you have 5 to 10 minutes to hit like that buy or sell button? Is that what you mean? Like you have a time limit on when you can hit the buy button and when you just cut it off? I just want to make sure I'm understanding your question. Exactly. When the market gives you money, guys, make sure you take it. And when NTG goes live, make sure you hit that like button. Yeah, they don't have TP. That's also a problem. Alpha line, new traders. Most of the time, you guys don't have. And yes, that's actually a good point. A lot of you guys don't have a set TP, and that's why you let your profits run. because you don't have a set TP. Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee, what's going on? Greed kills a lot. It does. I'm telling you guys, greed kills a lot. Right now, I'm doing crypto. I haven't traded Forex in a long time. Yes, exactly. Okay. It depends on the situation. But consistently, I would say enter the trade right away, right? How you can level it, right, is if you see your confirmation, right, and say you go back to the chart like 10 minutes after, 15, 20 minutes after, and there's like a pullback, right? There's a pullback. I would say enter. Okay, you got a better position. But if you go and you see that it's in profit, then I will say wait until it either comes back to break even or pulls back until you know where you would have been in drawdown. So there's not really a time limit as long as you can get the same entry. That's one, or you can get a better entry. So I would say that, but there's no really cutoff time. The only time you should cut off is when you're in profit. When the trade is already in profit and you missed the entry, you missed it. Just cut the trade. You already know, Don. You already know. Been looking to apply your market structure strategy on the 15-minute time frame. The entry is tricky, but reward is high. Yes, reward is high. Entry and holding the trade is the hard part. That's the part where you have to overcome. But we'll look into that into the members. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna be very active this month on the members, and we can talk about it more when I go live as well after this live stream. So you guys know I'm gonna be going live for you after this. Do I ever do binary? No, I have not. I trade the crypto the same way I trade metals and US 30. Yes, I use my patterns, my fibs, but for crypto I'm very fib heavy. I would say that more. I'm more fib and trading levels, like support and resistance levels. I'm more heavy on that side. On gold and US 30, I'm more heavy on like market structure, low highs, the breaks of patterns, certain things like that. But crypto market, I'm more levels, more heavy on the levels, more heavy on the fibs. Got your video on Krieg and got interested. I appreciate that, Bruce Lee. Besides candlestick, how would I find confirmation to enter trade? I mean, breakouts. That's the only way. Breakouts, breakout trading, and then I still wait for my retest confirmation. Always wait for my retest. Give you one more month. All right, Breezy, I'm gonna give you one more month. Get back to your old self. Don't hop. Get back to your day trading strategies, all that good stuff. Get that confidence back. Violet, what's going on? That's good. I need dictionary. I need a dictionary. Being a new trader, you need a dictionary. You don't know the trading language yet. That's okay. You will get to it. Trust me. Just keep studying, keep watching the videos. go on other people's channel, watch their videos. You know, if it seems like it's not, you know, always do your research. If it doesn't feel like it's the correct information, then, you know, just continue to move forward. Stacking crypto with Wonderland. Why does that sound so familiar? I'm not 100% sure what it is, but I feel like I've heard it somewhere before, like somewhere like in the background or something. What's up? You new here? What's good, Phil? What's going on? Phil Will 167. What's going on? After a big candle, I wait for retest. Yeah. If it's too like if I see like it's a huge candle, then I will just leave the market alone. Cause that's too volatile, too risky for me. So I would just leave it alone. As far as like the breakout, I'll wait for the retest. That's a lot safer. And I will go to like my 5 or even the 1 minute to look for that pullback. Just so, because normally when the candles when it gives you a big candle like that, it's going to continue in that direction. So I'll go even lower to the time frames and then try and get like a nice pullback entry and then enter. I usually trade Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, and I'm holding Shiba. But Bitcoin and ETH are like my main cryptos that I've like day trade on my MT4. The regular membership, they don't have signals. No, they just get like analysis. They get live streams. They get the exclusive videos. And then, well, I wasn't that active last month, but this month I will be more active. This month I will be in trades. I'll let you guys know when I'm in trades. You guys can ask me questions about your trades, your analysis. So you get that private Discord where I will be answering your questions as far as like the regular membership. Yeah, I think these traders should wait longer. Honestly, like 3-5 months trading demo. You guys got to get it down packed. No, I'm not still holding XRP. Oh, no, I haven't held XRP in a long time. I got rid of that investment, but I'm waiting for it to come back to 50 cents. So I'm gonna reinvest when it gets there. Will I advise someone to buy Shiba now? Yeah, it's at 0 somewhere around there. It's a good buy. I think right now, if you put 200 in, you will get over $1 million worth of Shiba right now. So that's a great investment. I would say do it. I mean, if you have the money to lose, like if you don't mind putting in $100-$200 in to have $1 million worth, then that's up to you. That all depends on your lot size, Bruce Lee. It depends on where your stop loss is. I can't determine your lot size until you determine your stop loss, because you're not gonna have the correct risk if you don't have a set stop loss calculated with the lots. Because let's give an example, right? That you're going to risk like 1% of that, right? Just $12, right? But you don't know where your stop loss is. Like your stop loss could be 300 pips with a certain lot size, right? So you have to calculate the stop loss first. You have to know where your stop loss is, and then you can see how many pips you have, and then you can calculate the risk so you know what your lot size is, depending on how much you're willing to risk on percentage wise. What do you mean? How come you can't download MT4 if you have an iPhone? You should be able to get it on Apple Store. If you have a Galaxy or Android, you should be able to get from the Play Store. You should be able to download it easily, like on the app stores. Not trading demo longer was my biggest learning curve. Yes. I trade all the time frames. I confluence my trade same way. Like I confluence from the daily all the way down to the 15 minute, all that. Like if I day trade it, swing it, or if I'm scalping it. No, I use Coinbase to hold my Shiba. It helps with holding trades, 120 and 1%. I know you know it too though, NTG. Yeah. Yes. And I was talking about that on my last live when I had went live. When was it? Did I go live yesterday? When I had went live, I was talking about more emphasis on psychology, all that good stuff. Yeah, when I went live on Thursday, I was talking about psychology. We need more psychology. More and more psychology. So what do I think about Qcoin? I have no idea. But I'm doing a lot of research on the crypto market, so I will get back to you. But there's like a lot of coins I'm looking at the same time. Like it's just a lot. Like it's a lot of coins. It's a lot of coins. I've been looking at different coins, see which one is like real, like has real potential, what doesn't have potential. So it's over hundreds of coins to look at. So don't worry, I'm gonna drop a psychology podcast next weekend with the other videos, and then I'm also gonna do another live, and you guys know we're gonna talk more psychology and all that stuff. A good place to research crypto, just research it. YouTube, you can look at the news, read newspapers, newsletters on all these coins, go on websites, see like what's going on with the coin, see if they have like any works with working with other companies, if they are in like any lawsuits, anything like that. You can Google, you can do all that research on there. I don't have any stocks. I don't have any stocks at all. I don't trade stocks. So I've been wanting to get into stocks like 6 months ago, but I saw the potential in crypto. So I just kind of like, you know what? Let me just, instead of doing stocks, I'm just going to focus on crypto. Like crypto is like my stocks now, because I was going to do stocks. I was interested in it, but then I was like, nah, like I like crypto. And crypto's more familiar, and it's kind of like what I do now, so it just works out perfectly. With stocks, I would have to learn like a whole new thing, all that good stuff. So I'm just sticking to my crypto. Is that gold? So let's say, all right, let's put the trade in perspective. So if you buy from the 17, okay, so your entry price is 17.79. That's your entry price. Oh, I put 87. What the heck? 17.79. Entry price. Stops. At 17.69. Why does it, what? Why does it keep doing that? There we go. All right, so this is your entry. You have a $12,000 account right here. So hold on real quick. There we go. All right, so this is, ooh, that's a huge stop loss. That's a huge stop loss. I don't know why you would want that stop loss. There's no reason to have that stop loss. Let's do something a little bit more realistic. All right, so let's just do like 40, let's do 50 pips. Right, let's do 50 pips. Okay, you have a $12,000 account and you want to risk, let's say 2% of that, right? 2% of 12,000 is 240, right? So do you guys remember that money management video that I posted with the calculations? Does anybody know? Okay, so, but with 500, okay, with 50 pips, which is 500 points, with a 0.20, right? If you calculate that, 500 times 0.20, that'll be $100. So you know you can double that to a 0.40. So you can put a 0.40, and that'll give you $200, right? So you know you can increase that. So let's do a 0.46. So 0.46, you know, times the 500 points. That'll give you about 230. So I would say a 0.48. Yeah, so 0.48 will be the max lot size you can use here to risk 240, which is 2% of $12. And if you need that, you need to go to my money management video. You should see it there. It says money management, and I go deeper into like the calculations. I actually show you all the calculations for that. Our problem is once I'm in the chat, I will forget all my trading. 0. Why would you forget all your trading? When you enter trading, you're heavy down, but you see the possibility of the trade going your way. Do you hold for like a couple of hours, or do you just close them? It depends. It depends where I am on support. All of that. That's a tricky question to answer, Michael, because it's like there's a lot of like scenarios that could be going on as far as like if I should hold this trade or if I should get out. Did it like pass my stop loss, you know, like stuff like that. Like if it passed my stop loss, then yeah, I would have got out already. Like if it hit your stop loss, it hit your stop loss, you should get out the trade. But as far as like seeing the possibility of it reversing, it all depends like how strong the support or the resistance is. It depends on like if there was like a breakout, false breakout. There's like a lot of scenarios that I have to look at in order to say, okay, I'm gonna hold it or I'm not gonna hold it. Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Shiba. No, I haven't purchased any NFTs, not yet. Yeah, so, yeah. Whoa, what's good, man? What's going on, brother? What's going on? Fonzie, what's up? Where you been? You really did disappear. I'm not gonna lie. You vanished like you said you was gonna do. Oh my goodness. Wow. K, love from Ireland. Appreciate you, K. Man, you was gone. You was gone. You was gone. But good to see you in good health. I'm glad you're still here. It's good to see you, man. Appreciate you, Theodore. Please make sure you guys like the stream for your boy. I'm gonna be dropping some more videos soon. Don't worry. Fonzie, he's back. All right, let's do it. I got a lot of energy, man. I'm ready. I told everybody in the members I'm ready. It's time to get these trades, man. It's time to go hunting now. I've been sleeping in a coma, but it's time to wake up. I'm awake now. It's time to get back. But yeah, guys, I do appreciate everyone that stopped by on the live. I gotta get ready, go live for my members now. We got a lot to talk about, stuff to go over. We got the live markets, all that good stuff. All right, guys. So, and to answer your question, Kay, yes, I do trade NFP. I traded it yesterday. If you go back in the stream, I do explain the NFP trade that I took. So if you go back to the beginning, you will see it there. All right, and I discuss all the tips there as well. But all right, guys, I will see you again live. You know, I'm gonna be doing more lives. Like I said, I'm gonna be posting it so you guys know when I'm gonna go live, and you guys will be ready for that. So it was your boy NTG, and I'll talk to y'all soon. All right, Fonzie, I'll see you there then. Much love, appreciate y'all, and I'm out. Peace.